So today I'm working on a 2024 Honda Accord hybrid, and today the issue with this customer is they wanted to fix the passenger side in the front, the door seal came off, and so I'm going to try to reinstall it back. I probably have to use some of the 3M Weatherstrip adhesive. It's like glue, so I'm just going to put a few dabs in several spots to make this stick. It seems like on these vehicles that these are very common to come off on the Honda vehicles. The Honda vehicles that have been made in the last 10 years or so. And so they seem to be pretty common on the generation Accord models. And so I'm going to try to reinstall this back. You can see that there's like an opening here in which the seal sits inside. Now you can get a brand new seal if you want from the dealership, but it's gonna cost some money and a little bit of labor to get the seal in, because it runs across all the way down and behind the door check area, and so you probably have to take some things apart to get the new door seal in. But if you don't want to spend any money, or you don't want to spend too much money, you can get the 3M adhesive stuff and just use that to stick on. Now, right now it's very dark because I'm working very early in the morning. I woke up at 5 a.m. I started about probably just before 5:30 in the morning, because this customer is a delivery driver. So this vehicle already has 134,000 kilometers on it, and so they bought this vehicle from brand new. And so the weather seal, it seems to come off in colder weather, and so sometimes they stick against the door frame, and then they come off. So I'm gonna use some of the 3M adhesive and see if that works. So I'm using this particular 3M adhesive. So I'm going to be using this. I'm just trying to see on where the part number is. Part number is right here, 08008. So it comes in a tube like this. I think it's 150 milliliters. So I'm going to be using this stuff and just putting a few dabs here, and here to reinstall that back, so that way it won't come off. So it seems like I don't know if there's a clip here. You see the hole, the opening on the door seal, but there's no way to get it in. You can only get this portion inside the tracks here to make it sit. It's a pretty messy adhesive, but the stuff works. So just trying to line that up here. Just trying to line this in to get this into place in between the side mirror. And there are some times where a few small dabs is not going to cut it, so you probably have to add a little bit more. You need to make sure that you hold the seal in place to make it stick. And work your way all across the door seam to make it seat properly. You got to make sure that everything is inside properly. And it will probably take a few hours to cure and dry up fully, and then you should be okay after that. Making sure everything is lined up, and then that's it. The adhesive stuff is very I don't know how to say it, sticky and stuff. So it's kind of messy, but if you have any excess, you can just wipe it down, and then you should be okay after that. Everything is all good now. Looks is nice and straight. So if you want to, you can leave the door open for like an hour or so if you want to. You don't have to. And then that's going to be it. It's inside pretty good, so that's all there is to it now for the weather seal.